Do you ever feel frustrated when you want to enjoy your favorite Spotify playlist while watching YouTube, but you can't figure out how to make both work at the same time? It's a common problem, but don't worry, I am here to help. So first, you can use the split screen feature on your phone or computer to keep both apps open. Next, try using the pop-out feature on Spotify. It's going to allow you to play music in the background while you watch YouTube. So if you want to make it even easier, download the desktop version of Spotify and use a second browser tab for YouTube. All right. Another trick is using a YouTube app like YMusic. Okay. Lets you play YouTube videos in the background with Spotify. Now you could also use an extension like Enhancer for YouTube. That's what it's called, Enhancer for YouTube. While to let you control YouTube while Spotify keeps playing. Now, take action today. Start multitasking like a pro. Now that you know the best tips, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more awesome tips. Let's keep rocking with both worlds. Thanks for being here. Love ya. Ciao.